What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. This is my project daily. Not much of a daily, but hopefully one day it will be. Sorry for the wind. Yeah, what the fuck, I'm not gonna talk anymore. I'm trying not to make the channel too much talking, more doing. So enjoy the cinematics of my new car. So yeah guys, I just want to give you guys a quick walk around of the car and then we can get to stripping. Yeah guys, let me give you a walk around of the car. This is the piloting station. The car is kind of clean but very dirty.
It's clean, dirty but clean.
Oh, that makes sense, but yeah. Don't worry about the Velo seats, but that is an idea of what is to come. So the car was originally a Chico. It is carbureted. See the engine bay here. Oops. Yeah, this is what we're working with, guys. I mean, it's not the worst. It's not the best. We do have AC, I think. I hope we'll have AC. There's not much rust in the car. It's relatively clean. But yeah, this is just a basic walk around of the car. Do plan on getting some wheels, suspension. Yeah, dirty, but anyway. Yeah, this is the back. So yeah, don't worry about rust there. That is a hint. There's what's to come. Do have some rust here. A little rusties there. A little rusties here.
Use Rusties, and you too can look like me.
I mean, it's not the prettiest, but something to work with. And the build is done, guys. Check. Car's done. Full city interior. I did everything. Car's done. I don't know what's that. Nothing's behind me, but don't worry about that. Just joking. It's David's. Say hi to the video, David. You guys, I don't know if you'll know Ty. You'll see later. So yes, David did something to his car. Is it a new one? Oh my days. Looks nice, man. Congrats. Fuel, nice. Out of 10. What's your rating out of 10? I never heard it. Let me hear it again.
Give it a solid 2.
Sure.
I like that one. When you put it. Why? Look at right off.
Straight off. Branch everything on.
Now it's running. Yeah? Moving. Hey, me as Joanna with this thing. Oh. Something sharp, man.
Can't wait till that one can do it.
You man. Yeah.
Right, guys, my backup came, but they came to take me.
Follow you. On Netflix.
So where are you going?
Yeah.
Gonna service a car.
Yes.
Gonna service a van. So the project's on pause for now. We'll carry on tomorrow.
For the daylight saving.